Welcome to this tutorial about Explain Everything. When you first open up the app, you'll be greeted with this home screen, and you'll see any other Explain Everything documents that you've created. And from here you want to, we're going to click on the new project in the left hand corner. Other things you might like to know about are the export button, which we'll use when we've finished creating our project. Now you're presented with some options. The two probably most useful ones are the importing from photos. So if you've got any photos that you've taken on your iPad from your camera roll, and this blank project. So we're going to click on that one. So now you're at the creating stage. This is your first slide, which we can see in the bottom left hand corner there. One of the first icons or tools you might want to use is the pen or pencil on the left hand side there. So if you press that, you'll see several drawing options come up. You can change colour, pen thickness, so on and such forth. By pressing or clicking on the picture symbol on the left there, you'll come up with this option. An option to insert an image. Photo roll is a good one for adding images directly from your iPad. And camera, you can take some photos using the camera function on your iPad. And obviously there's a few other places that you can add your images from, or documents. If you want to add another slide, you can click on the plus in the top left hand corner there, and if you want to see an overview of the slides you've got, then click on this button underneath it, which sort of looks like two slide icon there. When you do this, you'll get a list of your slide sorters, and you can scroll up and down, delete and change the order of your slides. Some other features you might be interested in. This one with the red laser pointer there on the screen, that gives you a few options of different arrows that you can use. The A, capital A there in font size, that allows you to type into a text box, and you can change the size of your font and the colour of and style too, I believe. If you're like me and make a few mistakes, then this X button is quite good for deleting a text box or deleting an image, and when you're writing, it will change into an eraser, so you can rub out your drawings or scribbles. So to put voiceover onto a particular slide, simply press the red button down the bottom, and a pause button will come up beside it, and then afterwards you can scroll forward and backwards to re-record or go past a certain section. And finally, some of the last features here, the home button. Make sure I've got the right thing. There we go. Obviously just takes you back to the home screen that we had at the start. If you want to save your work, then you need to press the folder button there, and then you can export your Explain Everything as a movie there, or you can export just a single slide as a picture just beside it. So we'll click on this movie icon there and see what comes up on the screen. Now that we're in the export mode, you can export it as a movie, which we're in at the moment, or you can click on projects. When you're exporting it as a movie, really cool feature, you can upload directly to a YouTube account, or you can put it on the photo roll, which means that you can sync it back to your laptop If you've got a Dropbox account or Evernote, then you'll be able to do that. Or, I haven't tried it, but obviously you can email it to yourself. Thanks for watching this very brief tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful, and happy explaining.